Hello, Physics Honors 9, ladies and gents. Today, a very short lesson on metric prefixes. I do need you to memorize just about everything that's in this lesson. I need you to know for every power of 10 what's the prefix and what's the symbol, and I need you to know it just like that without even thinking about it. So let's begin. So 10 to the ninth is a billion. And therefore 10 to the minus ninth is going to be a billionth. Similarly, 10 to the 6th is a million, and therefore 10 to the minus 6 is a millionth. 10 to the 12th, which is not here, is going to be a trillion, and therefore 10 to the minus 12th is a trillionth. Let's go for the metric prefixes. So, the prefix for billion is giga, and the symbol for that is a capital G, and computer speeds are in the order of gigahertz. So 10 to the minus ninth, which is a billionth, is going to be nano, N-A-N-O, and the symbol for that is a little n. And for instance, distances can be in nanometers. Visible light, the wavelength of visible light is on the order of 400 to 800 nanometers. You don't have to memorize that, just the powers, the prefixes, and the symbols. So, million is going to be mega. Symbol for that is capital M. And megahertz, we also have cycling frequencies in megahertz. And therefore, 10 to the minus 6 millionth is going to be micro. And the symbol for that is a Greek mu. It's a drunken U, I like to call it, or a U with a long tail. Micrometers, micrograms, microseconds. 10 to the 12th is tera, T-E-R-A. The symbol for that is capital T. And for instance, in the Large Hadron Collider, they accelerate particles to energies on the order of tera electron volts. Okay, so 10 to the third, as you know, is 1,000 or kilo. 10 to the minus 2 is, or 1 over 100, is going to be centi. And that should be 1 over 10 to the third here, or thousandth is going to be milli. And to fill in these symbols, kilo is a little k, centi is a little c, and milli is a little m. So, kilometer, kilogram, centimeter, millimeter, milligram, millisecond perhaps. 1 over 10 to the minus, or 10 to the minus 12 is going to be a trillionth, or pico, and that's a little p. Picofarads, there's an electronic component called a capacitor. Often that can be in the order of picofarads. And then finally, what we've got, excuse me, finally, what we've got is 10 to the minus 15th, and that's going to be femto, F-E-M-T-O, and that's a little f. When molecules vibrate, they vibrate on the order of femtoseconds. So, thank you very much. Again, what I want you to do is to make sure that you have memorized the power of 10, the prefix, the symbol for these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 items. Thank you.